Sutton RV is proud to be your Forest River dealer. Forest River is one of the biggest RV manufacturers in the world. They have a passion for the great outdoors, and they want to enable our customers to experience all the beauty that Mother Nature has to offer. Introducing the Sandpiper fifth wheel. Wherever you go, the Sandpiper lineup will ensure you make the most out of every adventure. Unique floor plan designs like bunkhouses, front living spaces, rear living entertainment, or outside kitchens will accommodate any traveler or group. Luxurious features like premium hardwood accents, electric fireplace, 50-inch flat-screen LED HD TV, an exclusive stainless steel range, extra-large picture windows throughout, and patented underbelly armor give the Sandpiper a reputation of elegance and outstanding quality. Come down to Sutton RV and see the Sandpiper fifth wheel for yourself. At Sutton RV, you're gonna like it here.